Hello, freelancers. Imagine working with the waves of the ocean in the background. In this section, we will be sharing with you some amazing freelance gigs that allow you to work from anywhere. Whether it's your cozy home or a tropical beach, get ready to find the ultimate work-life balance. In today's video, I'm excited to introduce you to a fantastic translation agency called Kotoba Translation. They specialize in helping innovative companies reach global audiences. To get started, head over to Kotoba Translation's website and click on the Translator registration button. Once you're there, they'll guide you through the entire process step by step, making it super easy to apply. For those of you looking for more translation and interpretation opportunities, we have a PDF book that contains over 1,000 translation and interpretation jobs. It's available for purchase at ko-fi.com and also on amazon.com. Check the link in the description and take your skills to the next level. If you want to watch more videos like this, please check out this playlist.